Hello class 2. Welcome to your English literature class, children. Children, yesterday we have discussed the chapter that is the mice and the elephant, isn't it? That is chapter number 6. The explanation part is over. This is the chapter that we have discussed yesterday, and the page number is 73. Okay. Now I need to give you the question answers of this chapter. Children, see one thing, I have already given the question answers in Telegram. Okay, you go to Telegram. I think most all of you have joined Telegram app. So there you will find the question answers of this chapter. Okay, that is the mice and the elephant. Fine, what you have to do is you have to write down the question answers in your CW copy. Okay, you will copy those question answers given in your CW copy. Then you have to send it to me for correction. Done. Now while I was discussing that time I have already explained that first of all you have to write all the word meanings, isn't it? I told you to write down 9 word meanings. Here you will find 13 word meanings in this chapter, but you have to write down only 9 word meanings. Okay, so first, as I have already discussed, you write the name of the chapter, date, then you write word meanings, then 9 word meanings will write. Then you will come to this part, that is page number 75, reference to contest. Okay, this is reference to contest. So here what you have to do is, and this one I have done for you, you can do it also. Now I will explain it to you, that is making the quick answers. And then reference to context, all the answers I have written. What you have to do is you have to write down the questions from the book. Okay, so copy the question from the book and the answers you will find in Telegram app. I have already sent the picture. Okay, be sure that everyone must write it and send it for correction, because this chapter is included in half yearly. Okay, you have to learn it by heart, and you have to memorize all the question and answers. So everyone need to send the copies for correction, right? Now the next one is read, reflect and write. First one is reference to contest, all the answers I have written and sent, and then read, reflect and write. These answers are also like question number 5, 6, 7, 8. How did the elephant disturb the mice at first? Why did the elephant warn the mice before crossing the colony? How did the mice save the elephants? And last one is, what does this story teach you? All these answers of these questions are also given in the Telegram app. Okay, so you have to write it down. Done? So I hope everyone is having a pencil in your hand. Okay, so number 1, come to page number 75, that is number 1, quick answers. Here it will do this one in the book itself. Okay, see, in the story the problem is what went wrong. Something went wrong in the story, isn't it? Now take the sentence that tells us about the problem in the story. In the story, first of all, we found a problem. Because of the hot summer, the water of the river, it got dried, isn't it? The river water ran dry. So it was a problem. Now let us see, many questions are given, many options are given here. 3 statements will find. So which one is the problem we have to take out? See, number 1, long ago near a lake in a thick forest, there lived a large mouse family. Was it a problem? Think, relate, reflect back, and then relate it. Next option given is, many of the elephants were caught in the great rope trap. Was it a problem? Or the mouse king called all the mice together. It was a problem. Which one is problem? 3 options are given. The problem was number B option, that is, many of the elephants were caught in the great rope trap. So here beside option 2 B you have to give a tick mark. Okay, because the problem was what? Many of the elephants got caught in a great rope trap set by the elephant trappers, isn't it? Done. This was the problem. Now come to number 2. In our story, the solution is how things were made right in the end. So in every story, the solution is, what is the solution? Not in every story, everywhere, isn't it? What is the solution? To make the thing right. Solution means to make the thing right, isn't it? So in a story, the solution is how things were made right in the end. Take the sentence that tells us about the solution in the story. Now here in this story, what was the solution? You have to find out. 3 options are given, so you have to select one option which is the solution of the problem in this particular story, that is the mice and the elephant. See, near a river on the other side of the forest, there lived a herd of elephants. So is it a solution? Or one day elephant trappers came to the forest. Is it a solution? Next one, the group of mice gnawed the ropes of the trap with their tiny sharp teeth. So is it the solution? Yes, it is the solution. Number C is the solution. Because what was the problem? We have already discussed the problem. The problem was many of the elephants were caught in a great rope trap. It was the problem, and definitely the solution is a group of mice, not the means they have beaten the rope, isn't it, with their sharp tiny teeth, isn't it? So now by biting the ropes of the trap, the mice, they freed the elephants, isn't it? And this is the solution of the problem. So the solution will be the group of mice gnawed the ropes of the traps with their tiny sharp teeth. So number C is the solution. So beside number C, you will put a tick mark. Say this is number C. Okay. Done. First one is option B, and the second one's answer is option C. Done. And the rest of the thing means question number 3, that is reference to context and read, reflect and write, I have already given in the that I have already sent for you in Telegraph app. Okay, next we will do is come to page number 76. This is page number 76. We will do the opposites. Okay, these are the opposites. Let me see. Let me show you. What you have to do is, see, find the opposite. This one also you have to write in the copy, in the CW copy. I'll tell you and you will write. See, find the opposite of these words in the word search given below. So here you can find this box. Here you have to find from this box, from this word chart. Okay, this is a chart. So from here you have to find out what? You have to find out the opposites of the word given here. Okay, opposite of these words like enormous, then next one is up, caught, then remembered, isn't it? This is what? This is based. Okay, the opposite of all these words given here you can find in this box. Okay, the opposite of these words. So the opposite of these words you will find here in this box. So you have to write the opposites. So what you will do, in the copy you will write word wall and then you will write opposites. Okay, then you write the word like this: enormous, up, caught, remember and based in one side, and then give a arrow and then write down the opposite of enormous. What is enormous? What is the meaning of enormous? Enormous means very big. So what is the opposite of enormous? So let us find out from the chapter, not from the chapter, from the box, from this box. See, the opposite of enormous is tiny. We have read in the chapter, isn't it? Tiny teeth. With the tiny sharp teeth, they gnawed the ropes of the trap. So let us find out tiny. See, here we can find tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. Tiny is the opposite of enormous. Okay, in this way you try to do. I'm telling you also. Next one is up. What is the opposite of up? Down. Let us find out. See, here we can see down. D-O-W-N. Down. Up, down. Okay. Next word, caught. Next one is caught. To catch something. So what is the opposite of caught? You find from here. Okay. Then opposite from here, what will be? Freed. The mice freed the elephants, isn't it? All these words are in past tense, so you have to give the past form. Means caught, then freed. F-R-E-E-D. F-R-E-E-D. Freed. Then remembered. Remembered means what? To remember someone. What is the opposite one? Word for remember? Forgot. F-O-R-G-O-T. forgot. So here also you will get forgot. Say forgot, forgot. This also you can write. You have to write it. Okay. Then best, best, best. Opposite of best is worst, worst, worst. Okay. So you write here worst. See, the worst is given here, worst, worst. So what is the opposite of best? Worst. So this one also you have to write in the copy and send it for correction along with the question answers. You will send the question answers for correction. So in the CW copy itself you will write the opposites and send it for correction. Okay. Till this we will do. Once you finish, you send it for correction. Thank you.